Okay, so how long have you been here in Ghana?
Around the Ghana now, they go 16 years.
16.
Yes.
You don't be a landlady for here. How are you?
Afternoon.
What's your name and surname?
My name is Divine Onyechere.
You are from where?
I'm from East Enugu.
Enugu East. Which community?
Hi guys, welcome back. This is a reaction video as always, but before we get into these videos, I would like you to please advise me on something. I don't know who remember Rejoice John, the Nigerian pregnant girl from Niger State. I posted some videos here. She stood out. A lot of people reached out to help. They did so many things for her. To the glory of God, she delivered, and she and the baby are all good. So I talked about her wanting to return to Nigeria, which later on I came back to tell you what happened while I was trying to raise funds for her to return back to Nigeria. There's a lot of people were like, you can't allow people take advantage of you. This is too much. And it's true. Instead of allowing this girl to exhaust me, let me just leave her alone, which I did. But after that, her boyfriend called me. That's her baby daddy. He told me he has quit his job. He's now working at a construction site so he can save up fast, so he can raise enough money for Rejoice to return to Nigeria with the baby. Things were really bad between them at that time. I said, okay, I agreed to help him take Rejoice to Nigeria if the money is coming from him. Ladies and gentlemen, for a man who could ejaculate, so I think he should be able to pay, like let him spend that money. And the truth is, this is the advice I gave to his mother. This is a woman who is hypertensive. I told her, if your son could ejaculate, let him raise the money. And she took my advice and allowed the son. So he told me before Christmas he's trying his best so she can go. He's going to contact me as soon as he has enough money. I already told him how much Rejoice will need to get home. I just calculated everything, including something little, something that will be enough for her and the baby at least for a month when she gets to Nigeria. Then subsequently I can try to reach out to him, to reach out to her, to support her, because from cedis to naira would go a long way. That was the plan, even though I am not happy with her. So the guy said, okay, he's working on it. Things were really bad for them. You complain, lament. So I told him the best thing is channel your energy into raising the money so we can get Rejoice to go home for the sake of your mental health. But after some time, I didn't hear from him again until the 24th of December. I saw his call. I was thinking, okay, he want to say, okay, sister, please come and I'll have the money or something. How do I reach you and all that? But that was not it. The voice I heard on the phone was that of Rejoice, acting as if all is normal between me and her. I'm like, is she okay? I mean, I did vex for this girl, and I was expecting her to say, Auntie, I beg, forgive me for how I bounce or call on you, or how I refused to talk to you or something. But she didn't say that. She was just normal. She even told me she's checking up on me because it's been a while. I'm like, really? So there's no remorse, no whatsoever for what happened anyway. And I did not express my anger. I just maintained my calm, and after talking to her, ended the call. I blocked that number. So this is a guy cried like a baby, and I consoled. So now that they have made up, he's giving her his phone to call me. So I blocked him. Now that they are good, let me distance myself. But even with the fact that I blocked him on a normal call, he could still reach me on WhatsApp. As long as he's not talking to me, I was good. But last night of the day I'm filming this video, he sent a message on WhatsApp. I would say messages on WhatsApp, pleading and begging and crying and lamenting again. And this time around, bro said he has the money. I should please, as a matter of urgency, help him get Rejoice out of Ghana. That he has tried to get her to go, but she refused. So I told him, count me out. Now that you guys have problems, you're involving me. Each time they are good, they are good. I don't get to hear from any of them. But when they are not okay, That is when they dump. I'm not a robot, bro. I'm human. So he was now begging, pleading, crying, sending audio saying that he needs me to do it. So even this morning, I woke up to more messages of him pleading instead of getting angry, because I told him things that pissed him off just to make him stop talking to me. But he did not. He was pleading. I said, okay, give me time. And while I was preparing to film this video, another person called claiming to be the sister of Rejoice, and she have told me about her sisters like that. So I wanted to know which of them, and then she said so and so. So I said, okay, I was going to get back to them. She's pleading that help them get Rejoice to return to Nigeria since the boy already has the money. So what do you people think? Should I get myself involved in this, or I should stay out? I promise majority carry the vote. If you want me to stay away, I will. If you want me to help, the only help here is one of my persons is not going to be involved. I'm not going to call for fundraising. He's going to use the money, the same energy he used to ejaculate. That money, we will use it together. We will get a taxi, get Rejoice to where she will board a vehicle. Make sure she boards and leave before we leave. The only thing I'm going to give this time around is my time and nothing more. So what do you people think? Let me know. Now let's get into these videos.
How are you, my sister?
I dey fine o.
What's your name and surname?
My name is Gift Jimo.
You are from where?
From Kogi State, Edo State.
Which community you are from?
Bini,
Which part of Benin are you from?
Edokpolo.
Speak inside your language. I want to inside your language. Your place, where you from?
I'm from Benin now. We Benin, we greet Osawese, Woye, Oyese.
So if I want to come your house, you get
Edokpolo, that the place that they call for you, so.
Your family has come.
Yes, na there no.
Okay, so how long have you been here in Ghana?
Around the Ghana now, they go 16 years.
16.
Yes.
You don't be a landlady for here.
It be so lively. That.
What can you come that 16 years?
They deport me for Dubai where I land myself for Ghana.
Okay. So that 16 years now, you never reach Nigeria?
Oh, I they go, they come, but going to 5 to 7 years, I never go Nigeria.
Do you have children?
I get one boy, one girl.
Where are they?
They're with my mom for Edo State.
Okay. So what happened? Why do you now come? What happened?
Be part of life. If the way I take see the life now, where I take come the way I see you, I be you understand. Life is how you make it.
Okay.
But what we believe for this life is say one day we'll do okay.
Okay. So what do you like Nigerians to do for you now?
Well, I need their help. I won't go back.
You won't go? Just say you know, come back again.
No, I don't go come back. I won't go settle with my family because I'm not going young. I'm going old.
How old are you?
I was born 1987, 1st December.
1987. That you should be around 38, 39 years.
Yes.
Speak your language so they will understand you. You are from there. Speak your language. Okay, Nigerians, if you come across this video, do well to share this video.
She's so intelligent, guys, and sounds really honest. But 16 years in Ghana, I don't think she'll be able to live in Nigeria again. But please feel free to give her the benefit of the doubt. If you come across the video and you want to be of help so she could return to Nigeria, like she said, I'm going to leave this guy. I'm going to tag the owner of this video so you can see his TikTok account and follow it, DM him, and yeah, he will do it. He has been doing a lot. This guy have really tried, and crazy stories, but that'll be later. Let's continue.
My sister, how are you?
Afternoon.
What's your name and surname?
My name is Divine Onyechere.
You are from where?
I'm from East Enugu.
Enugu East. Which community?
I'm from Nenwe. Nenwe.
No. Okay. How long have you been here in Ghana?
5 years.
5 years. Who brought you to Ghana in the first place?
I come with my friends.
Your friend. So.
And what brought me is kitchen work, but unfortunately, it's not kitchen work. It's a different kind of work.
Right.
So
I've. Work or what? What did they introduce you to when you come here?
It's a night work.
Okay, so what happened? Why you?
Oh, why I'm like this is that since then I've not been able to have enough fund to support myself and my business that I want to do.
Okay, do you have any business you learned before?
Yes.
What kind of business?
Hairdressing, bead making, and so many designing.
Okay, so you are not able to start it on your own, or what happened?
Yeah, I'm not able to start it on my own because I don't have enough fund.
Okay, do you have any child?
I have one kid.
One kid. Where are the child now?
Nigeria.
Okay. Is it Enugu or where?
Enugu.
Okay, so what do you want Nigerians to do for you?
Oh, I just want them to help me with money and then to come back also.
You want to go back home?
Yeah.
How about your mom and your dad?
All in Nigeria.
They're in Nigeria. Okay, so speak your language. Talk to them your language.
Onye chere Chukwu agọzigo m na-esend you n'onu konshania. So expecting to come back soon.
Speak your language, your mother, so they will know where you're from.
Enugu.
Speak Igbo now.
Mụ na onwe m bụ onye Enugu, so m na-eme expect ịnata soon ma ọ bụ na ego dị n'aka.
And then Enugu na forgo one no wine. So if you come across this video, do well to share. She says she's from Enugu. So please, if you help us to share this, so she will locate her family or loved ones, anybody that wish to bring her back home. So God bless you guys. If you have not been following my page, do well to follow my page for more updates. All right, my people, how on a day? If you are from Enugu State, please share this video. If you know you are from Enugu State, you come from Enugu State, please share this video. This video is very, very important. If you know you love your Enugu sister, just watch am very clear. This one, the camera clear. No be the one you go say maybe camera no clear. The camera dey very, very sharp and perfect. Na iPhone camera they use video, and this one no be Android. So please do well to share this video to all Enugu platform to help your sister. You understand? Now somebody will reach out to me, say this girl na from Enugu State. Though you don't know the particular place where she come from Enugu. I go play you the video. You go hear how she take narrate where she come from for Enugu. You understand? And do well as they see her. First of all, help us share the video. That your share dey very, very important so that this video go fit go far. You don't know who they watch, we go fit know this our sister. So I beg, I use God beg you. Please help us share this video. Thank you.
Any man to take you away from you?
No, I will not.
You are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will.
You know you are beautiful. Or you don't know? You don't know you are beautiful.
Someone has told me that before.
Come again.
I don't know someone has told me that before. But I want someone that will say, you want to get married to me, good.
If I will get married to you,
That
it's
is very,
good.
very interesting.
Don't worry, I will get married to you. Okay? Okay? You can only show me your place. I want to know where you stay. The next time I'm coming to take you to my house.
I need someone that will take you to my parents.
Take you to your parents.
Yeah.
Where your parents live?
They're in Enugu State.
Nebu State.
Enugu State.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Wow. Nigeria. I love the country. So if I want to take you to Nigeria right now, will you go? Huh?
Of course, I will go now.
You will go.
I need a surprise. Any kind of.
You need a surprise.
Any kind of surprise is okay.
Surprise is okay.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll surprise you. I will just like. So your name?
You call me
Huh?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Nice name.
So alright.
Nice name. So what do you need around?
Help us share this video so we don't know why the reason why this lady is in this condition. This lady there for Ghana here. So I beg, help us share so I will feel reach out to the family.